You know, at Triple D, we have shot so many barbecue restaurants, but I gotta tell you, the ones I really, really dig is where the owners compete in barbecue competitions. These folks here, well, they haven't just competed in the competition, they've been kicking butt and taking names at some of the biggest. So I'm about 15 miles outside of downtown Memphis, but I'm in Mississippi to check out Memphis BBQ Company.
They have the most awesome burgers. The brisket's so moist. The pulled pork is the best.
One of the few restaurants that I can say that you will get World Championship barbecue.
Crunch burger.
I've never had anything like it before.
So what makes it crunch?
Pork rinds.
I know pork rinds, chicharrones we have in California. This is what it's coming from?
There's smoked dehydrated pork fat that we're gonna fry it. No,
Not so much crunch.
not yet.
Let's fry 'em.
Let's go.
Fries up. So this is it. A little barbecue rub on there. And then these will actually go on the burger?
They actually go on top of the burger.
Better hurry up and make them.
All right.
One burger or two burgers?
Well, you get 2 burger patties.
I'll roll out of here.
Smash them out.
Nice technique.
A little hamburger seasoning. This is minced onion, garlic, seasoned salt, a little black pepper. This is our spicy barbecue sauce.
Okay.
Put a little bit of that on the burger patty.
Same basis of how you start your other barbecue sauce? Just
It is exactly the same, followed by some cheddar cheese. Now we have to do secret stuff. All right, burger's ready. Juke sauce.
Who?
Juke sauce comes from down in Mississippi, juke joints. Cheesy goodness. And last but not least, pork rinds. That's a crunch burger.
I like it.
Smash.
That chicharrón in there. The juke sauce is great too. Burgers cook perfectly. Nice melt on the cheese. You got all the produce you need in there, but it's when you get that extra little crunch out of that chicharrón. Dynamite burger.
Thank you.
Cooked right, seasoned right, enough ingredients, ridiculously too big, and the chicharrón made it.
Thank you.
Thank you much, world champion. You know, I worked at some butcher shops. When I was 12, growing up in Ferndale, I worked at Ferndale Meats making the jerky. When I moved here to Las Vegas to go to college, I worked at Shulman's Meats. So when I find out there's a 70-year-old butcher shop up here in Northwest Las Vegas that's making their own sauce, their own rubs, their own sausage, their own barbecue, and they're serving it in their own backyard, I just gotta check it out. And this meat market turned restaurant is putting even more on their plate since I was there in 2012. This is John Mull's Meats and Roadkill Grill.
I love everything about this place. The people, the food. Brisket dinner with yams and mac and cheese.
Best barbecue place in the world. It's always been a local secret until Triple D found us. Now we're national.
3-meat combo ready to go.
I love coming here. It's all outdoors. They cook outside. You can smell the smoke as you pull in.
And people around here have been getting a whiff of this out-of-bounds barbecue since Chuck Frommer's grandfather opened his butcher shop in 1954.
Here you go, sir.
So your grandfather opens this place. There's no electricity here.
In the sticks.
I mean, this had to be sticks.
Sticks.
Why out here?
It was cheap.
Then your dad had it, then your uncle had it, and then you got it in '81. It started out in butchering and it turned into
Everything.
All right, Chuck, give me the rundown, buddy. Now, John Mull's Meats was a place that we knew about to go for a butcher shop back in the day when I sold meat in Vegas.
Exactly.
Then we come out there to visit you, and that was, what, 2012?
2012.
Can I get some of those hot links that I saw in Triple D?
Now, Louisiana and Texas and those parts, people understand what a hot link is. It's a spicy sausage, but not overly spicy. And what are we cutting?
This is shoulder clod, beef shoulder clod.
So you're gonna cut this down, process it, and case it?
Yes, sir.
All here?
Oh,
I love it.
We're gonna make the emulsion.
We're gonna make the snow cones?
Exactly. Add meat to it. This is milk powder, salt. We got black pepper, sodium nitrate.
Yep, you gotta have the pink in there. It's a preservative and it keeps the color.
Coriander, garlic, caraway, hickory smoke powder, nutmeg, paprika, cayenne pepper.
It does have a hot characteristic to it, but it's not hot like you're burning your mouth off.
Exactly. We're gonna add some water.
Everybody in the pool meets Slurpee snow cone.
Looks tasty, don't it?
You want me to go get the cones?
We're gonna mix the hot links now.
Okay, so now we've got our mix. Look at that sausage-making monster. No, I was talking about you.
This is a hydraulic stuffer.
Piston's gonna come up from the bottom.
Exactly. This is the casing. We're gonna actually put that on this stuffing horn right here.
Tie the end off. Here we go. Wow. Grab it, move it down, give this one a little twist.
You're pretty good at that, man.
I made a few sausages in my day, son.
You did good.
Okay, so we'll run these off, get them on the stick, throw them in the smoker, 6 hours, applewood, bring them out. At that point, we're cooked all the way through, and then how do we do them for service?
Put them back on the grill, just to give them some grill marks.
Holy moly. Look at that. All the juice in that. When it snaps, you know it's good. It's a little bit spicier than I was gonna expect it to be. I'm such a Hot Link fan. This has gotta be one of the best. So I'm here in Boston with the one and only Chef Michael Schlau. Now, Chef, I know where I'm taking you. I just don't exactly know where we are.
Well, we're in the Fenway neighborhood.
Okay.
It's an emerging neighborhood.
I know you have restaurants all over. Around here?
Yeah, not too far from here. We got the C-Mark.
Oh, I'd love to go see his restaurant, but right now we're on our way to see the TOC champ, the one and only Chef Tiffany Faison, and this is Sweet Cheeks.
4-piece fried chickens, guys. 3 in the window all day. Let's go.
I drive 2 hours to come here because the food is so good.
The pulled chicken tray.
We moved here from Texas, and then we found Sweet Cheeks, and it's like coming home.
That's because Tournament of Champions champ and Triple G vet, Chef Tiffany Faison, is bringing legit Southern flavor up north to New England.
I've known Tiffany for a long time, and she's good at everything she does.
Is it a Southern menu, or is it barbecue?
Both. My mom was from the South, and this is the food my mom cooked. When I was homesick, there was nowhere I could eat in Boston that hit all the like home heart notes that I wanted.
What are we gonna cook?
Fried chicken.
Oh, I love fried chicken.
4-piece with the broccoli.
You can't get this fried chicken anywhere else in Boston.
The meat is really tender and it's seasoned beautifully.
Okay, what are we making, Chef?
Our spice rub for our chicken. Salt, chicken powder,
Chicken powder's my favorite.
sugar, brown sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, mustard powder, cayenne, smoked paprika, ancho chili, black pepper.
Got it.
Smells good.
So now we make the dredge. Flour, the spice mix that we just made, a little extra salt. Very lightly flour this chicken. We just want to cure it in the flour and take a little bit of the moisture away from the chicken.
And how long is this gonna set up?
12 hours.
What's our next step?
The batter. Start with some buttermilk, eggs, pickle juice, hot sauce, our chicken rub that we made.
Okay.
So all these guys go into the bath.
This is our same dredge again?
Exactly.
Okay, I like this.
And what's the trick to getting that good bar?
Keep the liquid on it. You don't let it drain too much. I want all these little crunchies. That's fine. We don't knock it off.
I like how you're doing the dry hand, wet hand.
And then I fry my hand, and then I dip my hand in ranch, and then I just like eat it off of my fingers.
How long will this take to cook?
8 minutes.
And tell me about your mom's famous
Broccoli cheese casserole.
broccoli cheese casserole.
It outsells mac and cheese.
No way.
It is literally cream of mushroom soup. We put eggs in it. There's mayonnaise. Mix it together. Diced onions, broccoli.
Blanch the broccoli ahead
Yeah,
of time?
ahead of time. Tons of cheddar cheese, some cracked black pepper. Pour this mix into a pan, and we cook it for 45 minutes, about 350. Top it off with some like crumbled crackers, and then bake it again for another like 5 minutes. It's magic. It's so good.
Let's put it together.
Chicken out of the hot tub. Then we put our shake on top of it. We have regular shake, and then we have hot shake.
So I can buy the shake.
You can buy the shake.
Favorite piece of chicken?
I'm gonna go with the thigh.
I am all the thing about the wing. Look at the crunchy niblet biscuit butter stuff.
That's delicious. Really juicy. I mean, look at that. It's crying.
Drippy chicken.
Come on, bring the kids down for some drippy chicken.
That's great, right?
You don't like broccoli?
No, it's delicious. What's delicious about it is the ratio of everything else to broccoli.
4-piece mild in the window.
What's your favorite thing on the menu?
Oh, the fried chicken for sure. Hands down.
Here in Dallas, Texas, love this city, great food. But when I roll into town, I want barbecue. Now, there's Texas barbecue. Then there's joints that do Texas, Kansas City, Carolina barbecue. But I hear about this place where the chef is kind of putting the world of food together inside a barbecue and chefing it up. This is Slowbone.
2 Chickalicious tenders, please.
If you really want the best barbecue in Texas, look for the big orange building.
The different layers of texture and flavor reminds me of some of the fine dining experiences I've had.
Volley bacon on the grill.
He has mastered his craft, cooking a variety of things.
Because Chef Jeffrey Hobbs has certainly been around the butcher block, working in all kinds of kitchens before smoking the competition here. Tell me about this, top 50 barbecue joints.
We made the list back in 2021. The meats are at the top, right? That's what they focus on.
All right, what are we making today?
Our Texas nail,
That sounds appetizing.
we nailed it, and so we went.
Ba-dum-bum, he'll be here all week.
I got one Texas nail.
It's everything you want in a Texas sandwich. It's got the brisket on it, it's got the chilies on it.
Smoked mushrooms, caramelized onions, beer, cheese. It's an explosion.
So we're here to trim the brisket.
All right, just salt?
Yep. And now we're ready to make our rub. Roasted coffee, black pepper, granulated garlic, chipotle powder, granulated onion.
So it's basically getting a dry brine.
Yep.
Post oak and hickory.
325 for about 4 to 6 hours.
Okay.
And that's when we take them off, and that's where the brisket magic happens.
Brisket who?
Brisket magic.
Is that a show in Vegas?
It used to be. We brought it here, though. Take those trimmings, smoke them.
I've never seen this technique. We're gonna take this smoked fat trimmings.
Continue to render them out by transferring them into a pot and putting it onto a low flame.
Hit this with an immersion blender.
Then strain it, add butter, brisket rub, and some salt.
Lay down a bed of it and drop the brisket on top.
Right on top, back to the smoke.
Now we brought the temperature down.
160, 165.
Next up.
We're making our melty cheese beer, sodium citrate, which acts as the emulsifier.
Look what's showing off. You're a barbecue guy.
I started off in the fine dining business. Sprinkle in Vermont sharp white cheddar. Once the cheese is blended, put it onto a silpat mat, spread it out, and then we chill it before we slice it.
And what do we have here?
These are our smoked mushrooms, liquid aminos, and some salt.
Okay. Gosh, that's delicious.
So we have our fully smoked brisket here. Been rested overnight.
Look at the smoke ring on that bad boy.
Mushroom duxelle.
Buns got toasted on both sides, and that's also done in brisket magic.
And also gets a little bit of Duke's mayo on there, too.
Good night.
Cheese, our brisket, and smoked mushroom. Caramelized onion, green chili, red onion, lime crema. One last slice of cheese on top, and then we melt everything together.
And what is this little concoction we have here?
This is our jalapeno barbecue sauce. Smoke a jalapenos with poblano tomatillo for about an hour and a half. Put that in the blender with some cilantro, granulated garlic, salt, water, and rice wine vinegar.
Okay. Need like a smock. This is hillbilly beef Wellington. You've got the crust, you have the duxelle. The brisket is so unbelievably tender. The creaminess of the cheese, it's so succulent, juicy, unctuous. It's a gourmet meal disguised as a brisket barbecue sandwich. Nailed it.
I got a Texas nail.
It's got the sweetness, the heat to it.
It's just so juicy, kind of just melts in your mouth.
In the world of Texas brisket, it's like,
Primo.
how'd you find the joint?
I've known Jeffrey for a long time.
Jeff, who do you not know?
The friendliness of the people here is unmatched. And then I love the cafeteria style.
Come in, order it up, get your meat on a tray, get your sides out the door.
We sell it till we're out.
Conveniently, my gym is right down the street. Spend an hour there and then spend an hour here. Life balance.
Go ahead and write that down. We'll be back.